Look at this beautiful block of 4 two-bedroom flats sitting on this 674 square meter land. Yes, I'm talking about this roof you are seeing with the cars parked in front. This is sitting in the heart of Thinkers Corner, right in a mini estate in Thinkers Corner. Take a look at this. This house was properly built. Of course, it was built a while ago, but still maintains its glory. It was built to quality and taste and is currently up in the market for sale. You can see the ample space. This house is currently selling. Welcome back to my channel. I am Anozie, and I am here to show you a beautiful opportunity that you should key into right now. Look at the environment also. This place is 1 minute drive from the old airport road, right here in Thinkers Corner. Like you can see, this is Thinkers Corner, and Thinkers Corner is right in the heart of town, just about 5 minutes to the airport and right beside New Haven. This area is exactly about, say, 3 minutes 4 minutes drive from New Haven and about 5 minutes from the airport. You can see the distance from the road right to this house. That is the road right there, and this is the entrance into the mini estate. You can see it's a built up environment. They have sufficient power supply because they actually use the airport line right here, and you can see the distance from this building to the road. It is not far at all. The building itself was built to quality, so all you need to do is probably just put a touch or two in renovating it and putting it out there in the market. So either you want to use it for rent or for shortlet. This property comes with a COO registered appropriately. The owner just wants to sell because she is relocating. This house is selling for 60 million naira. This is a cash flow investment if you ask me. You can make as much as 1.4 million naira monthly from this place, putting it out in the shortlet market. Look at the environment. It is right in the heart of town, and this area is good for shortlet. People pay as much as 50,000 naira per night for such 2-bedroom apartments shortlet services. I'm talking about shortlets like Airbnb right here in Enugu, and it's a thriving business. Now imagine your 50,000 naira per night for the 4 rooms, so let's say 200,000 naira minimum, and imagine if you rent for just 1 week, just 1 week in a month, just 1 week. It can be more, but just imagine if it's only 1 week in a month. That is about 1.4 million naira monthly. So yes, this is a cash flow investment. If you also want to do normal rental goes from between 1 million to 1.2 million naira in this environment. So all you need to do is to put a little touch here and there in the building, and yes, you are good to go. You can leverage this property to generate cash flow. So call me today for a free inspection on 080967376668 so that we can take you to this place and you can inspect yourself. This property won't be in the market for too long, so you want to come and check it out right now and make your investment. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new on this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe so that you can see this type of videos from time to time. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.